Good morning, students. Today we start a new chapter more on SQL. In this chapter, we learn about order by clause, aggregate functions, group by and having clause, and joins. Order by clause we have learned earlier that order by clause is used for arranging the columns values of columns either in ascending order or in descending order. Today we discuss about aggregate functions. SQL provides group functions or aggregate functions. An aggregate function perform a calculation on multiple values and return a single value. For example, you can use the AVG aggregate function that takes multiple numbers and returns the average value of the numbers. Following is the list of the aggregate functions supported by MySQL. First is sum function, and sum function returns the sum of the given columns. Then main function returns the minimum value in the given column. Max function returns the maximum value in the given column. AVG or average returns the average value of the given column. Then count function returns the total number of values or records as per the given column. Consider an example. Consider table EMP having following records as null values are excluded while aggregate function is used. So we have a table named EMP and it contains 3 columns: EMP code, name and salary. We perform queries on this table. For example, we want to find the sum of the salaries. Then we apply a sum function and write a query like select sum, and in our bracket we pass salary as an argument in a sum function from table name, or table name is EMP, so we can write EMP. In the same way, we find the minimum value and maximum value from a salary by applying the main function and the max function. If you want to count the salary, then count function counts the total values, total number of values or records as per the given column. So when we apply the count function on a salary column, it gives us output 3. Why? Because it has 5 records, but out of 5, 2 are null. So it excluded the null values. When we apply a select function, same way it excluded the num values and gives us the output 4000. And there is a we can also write count as we are passing asterisk as a argument in a count function. So we have written select count, then we pass asterisk as an argument in a count function from EMP. Here asterisk count all the values. It does not exclude null value, it even count null values also, all the records in the column, and gives us the output 5 as we have 5 rows in the table. Let's do these queries practically. Suppose here we have a table EMP, DSC EMP. This is the structure of a table EMP. It has 3 columns named E number, name and salary, and the values inside the table are the content of the table. For seeing the content of a table, we use the select command, select asterisk from EMP. We have written the wrong query again. Write again, select asterisk space asterisk space from EMP. Here we have written, we have not given space between from and EMP, so it is considered a one word. So it shows the content of the table. We have a table EMP and it has 3 columns: E number, name and salary. And so here we will apply the aggregate function. Suppose first function we are applying a sum function. We write the query select asterisk, or what column you want to write. Suppose we writing the name from no, I'm writing wrong here. We are applying the that function sum. We are finding the sum of the salary, so we can write select sum and we pass salary as a argument. Salary from EMP. So it gives the output 40,000. You can also write here like this here, select sum, pass salary as the argument, and then write total salary. Total salary. Also give an expression with this from EMP. It gives total salary, then the amount. Same way we can apply the minimum function also. Select min function, pass salary as an argument, comma, max function, max, and pass salary as an argument from EMP. It gives the minimum salary and maximum salary. Next function is count function. Select count and pass salary as an argument from EMP. It gives us the 4 values while our table have 5 values. What it did, it exclude the null value. Null value को exclude कर दिया. Then write select count and pass asterisk from EMP. In this case, it gives us 5 values, means it counts the total number of values in a column, even the null value also. Then apply average function, select AVG and pass salary as an argument from EMP. It gives us the average salary. Even it also exclude the null value. So these are the aggregate functions we apply on a table. So thank you.